please allow me to introduce my wonderful co-host, Dr. Yoko Kanemasu, Associate Professor in Sociology from the University of the South Pacific. Dr. Kanemasu is an Associate Professor in Sociology at the University of the South Pacific, and she teaches social theory and research methodologies. Her areas of specialization include gender, sexuality, identity, sport, and migration, with a focus on the social political agency of marginalized communities in the Pacific. Dr. Kanemasu is the author of several monographs and the editor of the Emerald Anthology Towards a Pacific Island Sociology of Sport, Seeking New Horizons, which is how I was introduced to her and her amazing work. And we came together so excited to collaborate and make this opportunity available for us to learn from the amazing work that's going on all across the Pacific. And she will now welcome you, introduce the speakers, and we're just so pleased you're here to join us. Mahalo. Thank you.
Good, Tatine. Good morning, everybody. My name is Yoko, and I'm from the University of the South Pacific. I'm originally from Japan, but have lived in Fiji for 30 years, so I've spent more time in Fiji than in Japan. I'm a sports sociologist with interest in gender, sexuality, and ethnicity. I'm really excited to introduce the three amazing speakers who will present on their research and expertise in physical activity from across the diverse Pacific Islands region. First, Dr. Rohini Baura, Adjunct Fellow at the School of Social Sciences, Western Sydney University. Rohini is a gender and sports scholar who focuses on gender, race, migration, sports, movement culture, and equity amongst marginalized communities. She specialized in arts-based, decolonial, and participatory methodologies to center the lived experiences of underrepresented groups. Her doctoral research explored the barriers faced by Indo-Fijian women in sport, which highlighted how gender, race, and colonial legacies intersect to shape participation and visibility. Rohini is the author of the recent monograph, Young Indo-Fijian Women Breaking Barriers in Fijian Sporting Spaces, an arts-based approach. Beyond academia, Rohini is a poet, middle distance runner, and fitness trainer, and she also supports migrant women's physical activity and leisure. Next is Dr. Jeremy Dorobolomo, Associate Professor in Education at the University of the South Pacific. Jeremy began his career teaching physical education in Solomon Islands high schools and later served as a school principal before joining teacher education at the Solomon Islands College of Higher Education in 2000. Jeremy has extensive coaching experience, having coached soccer at high school, college, and Solomon Islands senior league levels. He's now focused on table tennis coaching, leading teams at national championships, Oceania championships, the Pacific Games, and the Commonwealth Games. He has also served on the University of the South Pacific Quality Research Committee since 2012. And last but not least, Mr. John Howard, a distinguished athlete, FAS coach, public servant, and community leader who is originally from Baffin Island in Chuuk, Federated States of Micronesia, place known for its legacy for competitive runners, has made Guam his home. He has a Bachelor of Arts in Political Science and a Master of Public Administration from the University of Guam, and is currently pursuing a Master of Social Work at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. He's a two-time Olympian, represented FSM in 100-meter sprint in 2004 and 2012. He's also a winner of multiple medals at Micronesian Games and the Pacific Games. Beyond competition, John has dedicated himself to youth development and community building. He currently serves as a social worker with Child Protective Services at the Bureau of Social Services Administration in Guam. Since 2013, He has been the founder, president, and coach of FAS for many Atoto Sensu athletic organization, where he promotes sports as a pathway to positive youth development for FSM communities in Guam and across Micronesia. So welcome, Rohini, Jeremy, and John.